Springboard Plus gave me the knowledge and qualifications to take the next step in my career. I worked in sales and marketing back in Ukraine, but I realized my degree is not aligned with the Irish job market. I was missing some key technical skills. So I did a diploma in data analytics in CCT College, Dublin. The course was really well structured, and it was easy to maintain a healthier work-life balance. Now that I have a solid foundation in data analysis, I have a clear sense of direction for my future career in the tech sector. I really recommend Springboard Plus. There's a huge range of subsidized courses, from short certificates to full master's degrees. So you can find something that fits your schedule and helps you achieve your professional goals. Springboard Plus gives you skills that work for your ambition.